How to fix Twitch error 1000 when trying to play a video. So if you're unable to play a video on Twitch and you're seeing this error code, I'm going to show you a couple of ways on how to solve this. So the first solution is you just need to go and head over to the Twitch website and then click on the icon next to the address bar. You can then press cookies and site data and click on manage on device site data. You then need to click on the trash icon next to all of the options for Twitch. You'll also need to do the same for this bottom section as well and then press done. Now click on the site icon again and press site settings. Now if you have any data plans or usage set up on Twitch, then just make sure to go and clear any data usage. So mine says no data usage, which is absolutely fine, but if you do see something here, just make sure to clear this. You can then go and reload the Google Chrome browser by clicking the reload button, and then check to see if that solves the issue. Now if it's still not working, the next solution is to open up your start menu, search for the letters CMD, and then right click on the command prompt and run this as administrator. Now type in ipconfig /flush DNS and press enter. Now type in netsh winsock reset and press enter. Once you've done this, you will need to restart your computer, and then you can check to see if it solves the issue. If it's still not working, there is one final solution. So go and open up OBS Studio on your computer and click on settings. Now from the left hand side, select output and make sure your video bitrate is set to 6000 kilobytes per second. So sometimes if your bitrate is over 6000, this can cause the playback error in Twitch. You can then go and press apply and OK, and that should have now solved the Twitch error code 1000.